This brief tutorial will introduce the lighting features in CoreMelt ModelX. Please be sure to watch the overview video first and make sure that you have the model library downloaded and ready to go. Make a new 1080p project timeline. Choose Generator, Solids, Custom, and add it to the timeline. For now, ModelX is applied as an effect. Locate it in Effects, C2 ModelX, ModelX Load Model, and add it to the clip. Click Open Editor. Let's choose a model with a couple of materials so that we can see how lighting affects the illumination, reflections, and the specular reflections from specific light sources. Choose Add from Library, Packaging, Wine Bottle 01. Objects load in at 000 when added. Select Objects, Wine Bottle 01, and set its position Y to 1.0 meters. Go to Camera Preset, 100mm ECU Macro, Counter Level. Change camera direction X to -9 degrees, and change the focal length to 60 millimeters. ModelX ships with a wide range of 12 different HDRI environments, which contribute to both reflections and global illumination. Click among them to see how they affect the lighting and reflections on the 3 different materials on the wine bottle. Play with the exposure, the white point, and the blur settings to see how these work. To load an external HDRI, go to World, Lighting Environment, Image Source, Custom Image. Click the image well and select a suitable image from disk. The one I am using is called Sprue at Sunrise from HDRI Haven and is CC0 licensed, so it can be used in any commercial projects. In addition to HDRI, we can use the awesome specific lighting capabilities in ModelX with some of the standards from any lighting kit. First things first, go to World, Lighting Environment, Intensity, and turn it down to 0. The scene should go almost entirely black. Switch to the Lighting tab, click the Presets button, and you can now play with the available presets. For some additional fill light and realistic accents, go to the World tab and turn up Environment Lighting Exposure a little bit. The lighting workflow will involve finding a solid balance of world and specific lighting to get your result. Don't be afraid to be brave and experiment with pushing the color and saturation and brightness for specific graphic effects. One additional item that can really help to sell the look is to use the same image for a background plate. Go to the World tab and select Background Texture. Click on the image well and choose your HDRI from disk. Usually we will use the same one that's used for the lighting and reflections, which is what I have done here. You can now rotate the camera anywhere and the view will show the correct angle. ModelX provides a simple way to add convincing and dramatic lighting to 3D models with PBR textures and custom HDRI global illumination and reflections directly in Final Cut Pro. Stay tuned, there's a lot more to come.